Hello everybody, it's me, Heather, and today I have a small review of some products from Drunk Elephant. I picked up their Catch Some Rays set. This has the D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, or in other words, a liquid bronzer. This has the O-Bloos Rosi drops, or in other words, a blush, and then of course a sunscreen, SPF 30. This is the Ombre Tint Physical Daily Defense. So I'm not going to be reviewing the sunscreen. I think we can all pretty much, we all have an idea how the sunscreen works, so we won't go into that. But I wanted to talk about the liquid bronzer and the liquid blush. I know there's some controversy around Drunk Elephant. I'm not going to really get into that here. I'm not really that kind of channel. But I guess the main thing is that people were annoyed that they only made one shade. I'm not taking up for Drunk Elephant, but Drunk Elephant claims these are supposed to be universal shades. Again, I don't think you can really call any shade universal unless it goes on clear, which these clearly do not. Now, if you go to the Drunk Elephant website, they always have like all this information, obviously, about the products, but also like they have what they call cocktails. And ideally what they want you to actually do with this set is they want you to take the sunscreen, squirt some out, put a drop of bronzer, put a drop of rosy, swirl it all together and just apply that all over your face. And they say that's supposed to give you like a healthy, sunny glow. Not gonna lie, I did go ahead and try it off camera on a different day, all over my face, like they suggested. To me, it just made me look sunburned. Not really the look I'm personally going for, but that is there. So I'm just gonna concentrate on the liquid bronzer and the liquid blush. I do actually really like these products. So this is obviously a trial size. The full size is $36. I honestly think it might be worth it. If you look up the information on the website, there's so much information, more than I ever expected. It's like, first off, it's called D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. They actually classify this as a serum. So it's supposed to be makeup that has skincare benefits in it. So it's an interesting concept. It says it's supposed to be for dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, dullness. It's for all skin types, so dry, combination, oily, normal, any skin type can use this. Has some interesting ingredients such as cocoa extract, which is supposed to be a natural antioxidant. And it also has peptides, again, that helps to plump the skin, that reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles. But then, the thing I don't get is they're calling this a serum. Once again, this is a bronzer. I don't know about the majority of you, but I don't wear bronzer all over my face. The majority of us wear bronzer in very strategic places around our face. The same with blush. We wear that in very strategic places around our face. So it's kind of weird because I love the thought that it's a bronzer with all these skincare benefits, but you're only going to get it where it's actually touching your skin, is what I assume. I don't know. So let me show you guys how I use it. So literally I just take one, well, if anything comes out, I've been using it. There we go. Just take one pump like that. That's enough. And then I take a makeup sponge. Yeah, this one's a little dirty. This is the same makeup sponge I used today to do all my makeup. And I just pick it up on the sponge, just like that. And then I always start off on the side here, just like that, just to get like the first bounce in. And then I like to just bring it up, the crowns, you know, the sides of my forehead here, a little bit on my forehead. I like to bring it down and then into my cheek hollows there. And I think it's just really pretty. It just instantly blends in, gives you a little bit of warmth. And using a makeup sponge like this just really blends it out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put another pump. So just start off seeing how much you want. You can build this up. So again, I'll just start one dot there, and then I'm gonna blend that out and bring it back in again. And I think it's just adds a really nice wash of color. And like I said, you can really build it up. But I think this is just so pretty. and that's it. It's just pretty simple, you know. Like, I'm being pretty conservative because I already have makeup on. Now let's do the blush. Again, it's the same thing with the blush. This one you can really build up. The O-Bloos Rosi drops. I'm gonna take a different sponge for this one. And again, I just pick it up with the makeup sponge. I put a dot right there, a dot right there, and then just kind of blend that out. And as you can see, it's very rosy, it's very pink. I think it's quite pretty, to be honest. I like it. But this is about as far as I like to go with it. I've built up the color before. If I use more than just one pump, it gets too shimmery. It gets too pinky for my liking, and I like color. So if I'm saying a blush is too pink, that's a lot. So there's that. Well, here you go. I've been dealing with a zit that does not want to go away. It doesn't want to turn into a zit, and it doesn't want to go away, so I keep messing with it, going, well, maybe there's something in there. And then, of course, I make it worse, and then it needs more time to heal again. So maybe if I haven't been using this the past couple weeks because I've been testing out other makeup and stuff. Maybe if I use this every day, maybe the little peptides and antioxidants and stuff will help that, you know, fade faster. But yeah, that's it. You know, I actually really like this. Again, the full size is $36 each. So it is a bit pricey, but then again, you're gonna have it for quite a while because you need to use so little of it. And like, I think the blush especially, it's like really rosy, it's really pretty. They claim, like I said, once again, it's supposed to be a universal pink. I don't agree with that. And the bronzer, I also like I said, you can really build that up. It's kind of dangerous because they start off so sheer that you think, oh, I need more, and then you add more, and then all of a sudden it's too much, you know? So it ends up being like that. So let me know if you guys use any of these. Do you use any of the D-Bronzi or the O-Bloos products? Honestly, any of the Drunk Elephant skincare products I've used in the past, I've had nothing but positive results with. I actually really like the brand. Yeah, they are on the pricey side. Yeah, there's some controversy. You know, why is a brand that has such exorbitant prices and packaging, and why do they only have one shade? I don't know. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys have questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. Let me know if you guys use any of the skin cocktails, if you mix a bunch of the ingredients together and try them on that way, if it works for you, or if it didn't work, let me know. I'd love to hear your experience. Go ahead and leave questions and comments down below, and I'll get back to you. Like and subscribe if you like tutorials, hauls, and reviews on makeup and skincare. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.